Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
SSL connection errors on iPhone often occur due to incorrect date and time settings, expired SSL certificates, or network configuration issues. To fix them, 1. Verify and correct the date and time settings under Settings, General, Date and Time. 2. Clear Safari browsing data. Go to Settings, Safari, Clear History and Website Data. 3. Update your iOS. Navigate to Settings, General, Software Update to ensure your device has the latest security updates.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.